Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about swing trading with no experience. How to do it, can you even do it? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel and you're like, who is this random guy on YouTube? My name is Carter. I've been a full-time swing trader in the stock market for over 6 years. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school called the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, we have quizzes, a group chat, lectures, everything you guys need to become a successful and full-time trader. So guys, check that out. And right now you guys can use code money for 50% off. Only one spot left for that code. So check it out right now. I'll see you guys in there. Get that code before it expires, and let's jump into this here. So a very, very common question that I get asked on my channel or on this channel is, Carter, I want to swing trade, but I have no experience. I don't know how to do it. Can you even do it? So yes, as somebody who's been in the stock market for a while, you can swing trade with no experience. You can buy a stock today and you can sell it in a couple of days or a couple of weeks. Yes, you can easily do that. But the issue is can you make money? That is where that line gets drawn of, can you make money, yes or no? What I see a tendency of people that are beginners do when they're just starting out is they may get lucky. They may get lucky once, twice, 3 times. I've seen somebody get lucky and grow an account from $1,000 to $3,500 in a month. Now, ask that question, what happened the following month? Well, before you know it, they had no idea what they were doing. They were burning through cash. They were burning through capital. They were choosing random stocks, and they lost the money. So yes, you can swing trade with no experience. But the biggest thing, if you're just starting out, I would highly recommend you guys focus on education and building up a strategy, or at least some sort of checklist. A checklist is a list of criteria that you guys have. So you're not just buying random companies, you're finding stocks that meet your checklist before you buy it. So let me show you a stock here that I recently bought and kind of give you guys my breakdown on it. So this is Microsoft. Now, Microsoft is a massive, massive corporation. So historically, every single time Microsoft has sold off, it's always recovered, which is always a really, really good indication where we're going to get good buying pressure out of it. Another thing I look for is some sort of upward trend. So for my checklist, the first thing I have is an upward trend because I am a long trader. So what that means is I buy a position in hopes to sell it at a higher price. Some people are short traders where they short a stock in hopes the stock goes down. Now, for me, I'm a long trader. So the next thing I look for is some sort of support line. So we have an upward trend. Second thing is support line. So you guys can see this kind of like this yellowish, orangish line. You guys can see every time it hits this line, what happens? Buying pressure, right? Hits it, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. So now, as that line is formed, we have good indication where we could get this good move going higher. Another thing that I have is, what's the RSI? The RSI right now is trading for about a 30. The last time it was trading for a 30 was all the way back in here where we had this good move. So you're going through a checklist and you're determining if you should buy this position. Another indicator I use are moving average lines, as you guys can see. And I will also look at volume to make sure that there's shares available, and then the MACD indicator. The MACD indicator is pretty much just a indicator used for entries and exits, but more importantly, what we're looking for is a stock that meets your needs, meets your criteria. So this is a very, very simple strategy. Upward trend, support, are undervalued on the RSI, and then the last thing on my checklist is looking at earnings, because you don't want to hold through earnings. And then the next thing is finding some sort of support or breakout on the hourly chart. That simple little technique and criteria will literally change the way you guys trade, because now you're going to be finding stocks that meet those criteria rather than just buying Apple in hopes it goes up in value. So this little technique can really, really change the way you trade. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. But this is how you can technically swing trade with no experience. And Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I would rather see you guys paper trade and then do that for 6 months to a year, invest in that education, and then move on to funding a small account with $100 and trying to build that up. And doing that, you're still working on your strategy, your approach, and you're handling your emotions with that. So, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care. Have a good one.